Imagine opening your investment app one morning and seeing a number that changes your life forever. $1 million. For a moment you freeze. You check again. Then again. $1 million. Not from a lottery ticket. Not from crypto luck. Not from rich parents. Just years of investing, sacrificing, and buying assets while everyone else was spending. You should feel excited. You should feel proud. But something unexpected happens. You don't know who to tell. Your friends are still worried about bills. Still talking about car payments. Still waiting for payday. And suddenly, you're carrying a secret that could change how people see you forever. So you stay quiet. You lock your phone. You smile. And pretend nothing happened. But over the next few years, you'll discover something strange. Making your first million wasn't actually the hard part. The hard part was everything that came after. The strange thing about becoming a millionaire is that nobody notices. The next day, you wake up in the same bed, drive the same car, wear the same clothes. Your life looks exactly the same from the outside. But financially, everything has changed. Your assets now generate more wealth in a month than some people save in a year. Yet nobody knows. To your friends, you're still the same person you've always been. And that's when you learn one of the biggest lessons about wealth. Real wealth is usually invisible. The richest person in the room often doesn't look rich at all. Because money talks, but wealth whispers. And for the first time in your life, you're hearing it. A few months pass. Then something starts happening. Your conversations change. Your priorities change. Even your worries change. While your friends discuss rising prices, you're thinking about buying more assets. While they celebrate new purchases, you're calculating future cash flow. Nobody notices it at first. But slowly, a gap begins to form. Not because you're smarter. Not because you're better. But because you're playing a completely different game. And the further you go, the wider that gap becomes. One day, you realize something uncomfortable. You still care about your friends. But you're no longer moving in the same direction. They're chasing bigger salaries. You're chasing ownership. They're trading time for money. You're building systems that make money without your time. And that's when you realize wealth isn't just a financial change. It's a mindset change. Once you start seeing assets everywhere, you can never unsee them. And suddenly, the world looks completely different. Then comes the part nobody warns you about. The loneliness. You can't openly celebrate your success. You can't casually mention your net worth. You can't explain why you're not stressed anymore. Because money changes how people see you. Some become jealous. Some become distant. Some only see your success, not the years of sacrifice behind it. And that's why many millionaires stay quiet. Not because they're hiding, but because peace is often worth more than attention. Eventually, you discover the truth. The best part about becoming a millionaire isn't the money. It's the freedom. Freedom from stress. Freedom from desperation. Freedom to choose how you spend your life. The irony? Most people think wealth is about looking rich. But the truly wealthy understand something different. The goal was never the $1 million. The goal was ownership. Because ownership creates freedom. And freedom creates options. And in the end, that's what wealth was really about all along.